As Seattle Public Schools continues to strive for educational excellence and equity, we have shifted the new Common Core college and career readiness standards. These high standards provide teachers, parents, and students with clear grade-level expectations to support their growth throughout their time in Seattle Public Schools. To support academic outcomes and meet students' needs, we have committed to providing equitable access to rigorous and relevant instruction aligned to Common Core and 21st century skills. This means we had to revise our elementary progress report in language arts and mathematics that was previously based on Washington State grade level expectations. From kindergarten to 5th grade, our progress report will now reflect the high expectations identified in the Common Core and accurately reflect what is being taught in the classroom. Teachers will now have a tool to communicate each student's performance in relation to the new standards. The following 3 areas that have been revised are learning behaviors, English language arts, and mathematics. None of the other content areas are changing. The key for scoring behaviors that support learning remains the same. Teachers will continue to mark an S for strong, a D for developing, an E for emerging, and an asterisk if the learning behavior is not evaluated. The key for academic learning remains the same as well. Teachers will continue to mark a 4 if student exceeds performance expectations, a 3 if a student is meeting expectations, a 2 if a student is approaching expectations, a 1 if the student is below expectations, and an asterisk if the performance expectation is not evaluated at this time. Teachers will report progress in all content areas. They will mark a plus if a student has shown a significant improvement, a check mark if a student has shown steady improvement, and a minus if a student has shown minimal improvement. We continue to encourage families to attend student conferences in November to learn more about your students' progress and ways to provide support at home. If you have additional questions about our progress report, please speak with your student's teacher. Each of you play an important role in every student's journey. Every student, every classroom, every day.